A bit sharper. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Sharper.
Good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. G'day, Ninja here. We've got Leo on the table. He's donated his groin for science today, so I'm going to show him how to get the groin worked out, and then I'm going to get him to do it on me so he really knows how to do the groin work. So we've got treatment, then we're going to go down the gym with Aaron. He's going to show us how to do self-treatment, and then we're going to do some exercise to strengthen it back up again. Let's get into this. What we want to do is we're going to go in really slow. Okay, so it's sinking in, but what I want to do is I want to move my elbow around, so I change the different sharpness of the elbow like that, and I can just move Leo's leg a little bit like this. I really want to get right into that spot there. So remember that.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. So that's right on that spot, and everybody knows it. They can identify that pain or that sensation as being good, and it's normally deep. So a lot of times this has been stuck in here for their lifetime pretty much. And you just know that once that's all kind of melted down, it's going to really help the tracking of their leg, and just all these other different pains can go as well. Because quite often back pain is related to the groin as well. So I've worked on people's backs for like 3 weeks in a row, haven't had much change, and then done a groin treatment and the back pain's gone like that. So I'm going to go into that bit there, right up and in, underneath that main tendon. Yep. So I can really explore in there, move the leg those little bits, work with my person as well.
Yep.
Just to really locate that spot. How's that feel, man?
Yeah, it's good.
Good, good.
It's painful.
Yeah, painful. All right. So I want to show you one other little spot, and then I'm going to get you to do it on me, man.
Sure, sure.
So come around here, Mikey. So what I want to do, I want to go down a little bit from the groin, so into the adductor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my body in here, like that, and I'm going to push right into there.
Oh, yep, you got it.
Feel that?
Yep, you got it.
So that's on it. So we're going to hit that spot there.
Okay.
Everyone knows it once it's been hit.
Yep.
It's been in their body all their lifetime, but no one's ever been able to sort it out for them. So you're just changing an angle and yeah, just pinning the spot, waiting for that to disperse. So the idea is to sink in slowly and then just get permission to work it out. So I want to encourage it away from the origin as well. So I'm slightly doing these little shifting movements like that.
Yep.
It'll help to shift it out like that. All right. So while it's fresh in the mind, man, do it like me, man.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll help you all the way.
Yeah,
so I want you to sit up on the table.
Yep.
And so you can kind of grab my leg, yeah, like that.
Yep.
And you're going to find that tendon there, and I want you to dip down below it. So I'm going to help you, yeah.
Good, good, good.
Under there, yeah. So.
Tailspin.
And I want you to start pushing with those legs to drive up under.
Okay.
Like that, yeah. So get into there.
Yeah.
So even more. So it's like a spear into a corner of a room, if you can imagine that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you're starting to hit it. That's good.
Good.
So I'm tuning into the therapeutic feelings. So there's a knowing, it's like a language. You can understand it, what it means when you're hitting on a certain spot. And like there's pain there, but you know that it's for the greater good. You know, so you're kind of searching for those feelings. So it's a universal language, but it's the sensations of the body. So it's a good thing to learn. Yeah, good, man. So while you're in there, start exploring. So you can kind of start turning your hand around, doing little things like this, which will change the different aspects of the bones on the elbow there.
Yep.
So that's good. And I reckon you can go in even more on an angle there.
Okay.
And that spear in there. Yeah.
I feel that.
That's it. Get into there and hit that spot. That's good, brother.
Spear technique.
Yeah, the spear. And just know. And I reckon if you go down a little bit too, into there, I can feel it. So when you're on the table, you sense where these blocks are. You just know where the angle would be to hit something that's really important. Okay? So then don't be scared if you're a customer to guide your practitioner. You are the expert on your body. You live in that body. You can sense when things are coming up and sense what's important, sense an angle that needs to be hit. That's cool. All right, man. Let's try and get you to do that other spot.
Okay,
A little bit down the adductor further. Yeah, it's all good in there.
Stretch over.
Yeah. Yep, it's the same elbow.
Same
Same elbow, but you're facing around this way. So come around this way, mate.
Okay, here.
That way, yeah. So you're going to really pull back in. So you're going to go underneath that tendon again.
Yep.
So get your body up and over a bit more. Yeah, like that. And then you're pulling back that way. There, I'm going to pull you down.
Yep.
So get a bit sharper. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Sharper.
Good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's on the money. Yeah. You know. It's all good.
Good,
Yeah, you
good.
don't need any guidance there, man. You're all over it.
Very intimate.
Yeah.
I'm close to your junk as well.
Yeah, mate. It's all
I'm so
good.
close, but who cares?
For the greater good.
Who cares?
It's all love.
It's all about the sprint. If I can sprint faster, I don't care.
Yeah.
See how you kind of sense that? And sunk in, nice and slow. I'm receiving that really well. And yeah, no, it's good.
How we doing?
Far out. Yeah, you're all over it. All over it. Yeah, that's it. All right. I reckon you've been schooled pretty well. But let's take you down the gym now.
All right, Leo, down in the gym with me. Self-treatment for the adductors. I've got a kettlebell here. So we're using the handle end, brother.
Yep.
And this is gonna be placed where Ninja was treating you with the elbow, okay? So what you're gonna do is lie down like this, and I'm gonna use my right leg to treat, and I'm placing it as high up into the groin as possible, and then I'm just lowering my body weight down onto that kettlebell, and it's pretty much imagining that's like an elbow, okay? It's just compressing all these tendons, and you're trying to sink right up to the bone there, right up to the femur. Okay. So once I'm on there and I've sunk down, I can start to do these little movements to try and kind of find my spot. So I'm in tune with what's going on, I'm connecting in, and right there is really good for me, okay? Really therapeutic. Okay, so the spot feels like this deep, dull, just productive sensation. It's hard to kind of elaborate with the words on how it feels, but it's just not traumatic, it's productive, okay? Give it a try then. This is pretty much where our leg was with the kettlebell, and the bell is just going straight up into the adductors here. So the adductors attach onto the pubic bone and they span down the inside of that leg. So you can imagine the kettlebell is just coming up into this position here, compressing all those structures to get us a nice good release, to desensitize those pain receptors in that area and just make us feel a lot better. All right, Leo, we're gonna do a Copenhagen plank for our exercise, man. So really easy bodyweight exercise that we can do from home. I've got a plyo box, but you can use a couch or a bench from home. So we're doing our right adductor. Yep. So this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna be lying on your left shoulder. We're gonna put our foot up on this board here, okay? And then we're gonna raise ourselves up into a side plank, bring that left knee up like this, and we're pushing all of our weight down onto that plyo box with our foot, and our adductor here is holding really tight, okay? So it's shortening, contracting. We're gonna reach with this right hand and make sure our hips are nice and high. We don't wanna be lagging too much down low here, and we're just gonna hold that, okay? So you wanna start off with, you might wanna do 10, 15 seconds, but I want you to aim to be able to do 3 sets of 45-second holds, okay? Wow. It's pretty tough, but give it a try.
Okay.
All right, so just 3 sets of 45-second holds every other day. If you can't do 45-second holds, just start with 10 seconds, 15 seconds and progress it. When you can do 3 sets of 45-second holds, it will correlate with you having a strong enough adductor to the point where you're not gonna suffer any pain or injury. So if you wanna book in to see one of us, feel free to do so online, musculartherapies.com.au. We've also got an online course as well, so if you wanna learn these training techniques and heaps more, make sure you sign up to MMC Fundamentals of Fitness. Thanks for watching, guys.